Today we will be testing the NSDT HAMA candles indicator. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post-trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the NSDT HAMA candles indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 103 different strategies, with 30 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex indicator with the Z-score probability indicator. I will put a thumbnail up of that video on screen right now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. That way you can go straight there and watch that video on the best strategy that we have tested so far. We've also tested a total of 986 indicators, with 416 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 110 of the winning indicators. 39 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best to a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing the NSDT HAMA candles indicator. You can see here on screen. The source video claims that this is the best Tradingview indicator that gives buy and sell and take profit signals. And so, first of all, just point out the obvious here. It does not specifically give buy and sell signals or take profit signals. And so that definitely is something that the source video got wrong in this case. Now, a new thing that we are doing is we are going to start testing all the indicators regardless of the time frame at least 50 times instead of just a 1-year test. And so right now we are still doing the daily testing. As far as testing on the daily time frame, we will just be doing at least a 50 trade test when possible. There might be some indicators that don't allow us to go back that far, or going back as far as we can go may not get us 50 signals. So we'll just kind of see. Then possibly I've been talking in our Discord about moving to a lower time frame instead of the daily. We might explore that at some point, but at least we'll test at least 50 trades on the indicators from now on. And so when we can anyways. All right, so the indicator itself, you can again see here on screen. So the indicator has the kind of main moving average line here, and then you can see that it has these boxes here, green boxes and red boxes, and these boxes actually kind of shift different colors as well. They're not solely green or red. Just like you can see, the candles here are shifting colors. So they're not just green or red. They go green and then yellow and oranges and so on. But specifically what we are looking for is when the candles themselves turn green and we get a solid green box like this here. That's going to be a signal to go long. On the reverse side for a short, what we're looking for is the candle to turn red and a solid red box to appear with that candle. That is a signal to go short. So let's go ahead and look at a couple different signals here. Go ahead and play this forward. Alright, so the first signal here is a long signal, and we get a nice green candle with a solid green box underneath it right here. And you can see that we get a really nice push to the upside there, which definitely would have gotten us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on here. Alright, the next signal that we picked up was a short signal. We get it right here when we have a nice red candle and a solid red box there. It's kind of hard to see the red box, but it is there nonetheless. And let's go ahead and measure this out here. Looks like we came up about 60 pips, so we did avoid our stop of 90 pips. And then price rolls over, makes this really nice push to the downside, which also would have gotten us to our take profit. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and fast forward through the 50 trade test, and we'll pick it up on the other side to take a look at what it was able to achieve in the advanced test. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a Tradingview indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over what this indicator was able to achieve. And so we did the 50 trade test like I said, and out of those 50 trades we got 30 winning trades and we got 20 losing trades, and so that's going to put us right at a 60% win rate. And so this one is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next video from here.